Mr. Masih, I'm asking you questions. If I find that you are not giving me a truthful answer, you'll be prosecuted. Every word which you say will be held liable for what you say. So, you're not in a political contest, you are in a court of law. Please understand that. It's a very serious matter. We have viewed the video on the last occasion. I want to ask you, what were you doing looking at the camera and crossing out, putting your marks to cross out the ballot paper?
Sir, there was a words if these councillors were making so much noise, camera, all this. And that's why I'm looking why cameras they are talking. But that's why ballot papers were defaced. Those ballot papers were defaced. I just given my, just highlighting that it should not be mixed again. That was the only reason.
Why were you, it's very obvious in the video that you look at some of the ballot papers, depending on whether the cross is at the top or the bottom, you put your signature and put the ballot paper in a tray. And at the other end of the ballot paper, you put an X mark on the ballot paper. It's also very clear that you are putting the X mark in the ballot paper. Did you or did you not put an X mark on certain ballot papers?
So, no, what I'm saying.
Please answer my question.
No,
Did you first answer yes or no? Did you put an X mark on certain ballot papers or did you not put it?
Yes, I marked on the defaced.
Alright, how many ballot papers did you put an X mark on?
It was around 8, sir.
So 8 ballot papers you put an X mark.
Yeah.
Right?
No text just I think what I'm highlighting it should not be mixed again the others paper. And immediately after that
speak in Hindi if you're comfortable in
yeah, it seems yeah. जैसे ही वो सब हुआ उसके बाद इमीडिएटली आप मनोहर और प्रेमलता आए वो उन्होंने मैंने ये बोला कि इतना 12 और 16 8 हुआ है वो आए और उन्होंने आके सारे बैलेट पेपर को स्नैच करके फाड़ने लगे और उनको डिस्ट्रॉय करने लगे फाड़ा और चंडीगढ़ पुलिस के मार्शल्स ने उनको आकर बचाया और वापस उन सभी बहुत जद्दोजहद हुई वहाँ पर जो ये आप काउंसलर थे इन्होंने लेकर भागने लगे इट इज क्वाइट।
पर आप बैलेट पेपर को डिफेंस आप क्यों कर रहे थे?
सर मैं
आपको पता है आपका फंक्शन एक है, आपको बैलेट पेपर को नीचे साइन करना है, साइन कर सकते हैं आप, हर एक बैलेट पेपर को साइन करना है, पर आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे थे कि कोई चुने हुए बैलेट को आप उससे आप अपना कहते हैं आप टिक लगा रहे हैं या क्रॉस लगा रहे हैं, आप वो क्यों कर रहे हैं?
सर वो
आप बताइए कौन से रूल के तहत आपको ये पावर दी गई है कि आप बैलेट पेपर पे अपना चिन्ह आप लगाएं, क्योंकि रूल 11 में यह लिखा है कि आप उसको साइन करेंगे। साइन करने के अलावा आपको कौन से रूल में ये प्रावधान है कि आप उसमें अपना कुछ या एक्स या टिक या कुछ भी जो आप लगा सकते हैं, आपको कहाँ पावर है वो?
सर वो मैं अगेन सर आई एम रिपीटिंग वो जब मैंने बैलेट्स को देखा बड़े ध्यान से वो ऐसे दबाए गए थे कि वो क्वाइट विजिबल थे कि निशान देने की कुछ कोशिश की गई। दैट इज द ओनली रीजन सर आई वाज नॉट
But why were you putting a mark on those ballots?
sir actually to make this highlighting it was defaced by the candidate.
So it's admitted that you put your marks on the ballot.
True sir.
And on 8 ballots totally.
Yeah, and they snatched and destroyed immediately.
This answers what he did, Mr. Solicitor. Very clear as to what he did. He has to be prosecuted. I think interfering with electoral democracy by returning officers is the gravest possible thing.
I am for the administration. Chandigarh. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought not with the SC's presence were marked.